Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will need to grab a cable that you can plug into your computer. So I have one prepared right here just for this, and we can connect it right away. Next, we don't need to allow anything here, so next we're going to pull down our notifications, and we're going to click on our power button, and we're going to choose power off and confirm it. Once you see Samsung logo disappear, hold the power button and volume up at the same time. And when you see Samsung Galaxy specifically, let go of the power button, and this will then boot us into recovery mode. Now we can unplug the cable, as it was only needed to get us into this mode. Now in this mode, you will need to utilize your volume buttons to navigate up or down depending on which one you press, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options that we have access to, we have Reboot System Now, which will bring us back to Android. We have a Reboot to Bootloader, which I think brings us to actually download mode. Then we have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data or Cache Partition, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off. Anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, and like I mentioned before, this will now bring me back to Android. And here we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.